Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create loan amortization table in Excel. A loan amortization chart, also known as the amortization schedule, is a table that displays the repayment of a loan over time. It breaks down each periodic payment into its components. The portion that goes towards the paying of the principal amount borrowed, and the portion that covers interest accrued on the outstanding balance. So let's go in Excel workbook. The loan amount is 5 lakhs. Tenure of the loan is 1 year. Number of payments per year are 12. So 12 monthly installments. The annual interest rate is 15%, which we'll have to convert it into monthly because we are going to pay the monthly installment. So this will calculate, that is B4 divided by 12. We'll get the monthly interest rate. Now we want to calculate the monthly payment, that is the equated monthly installment, EMI. This we can do with the help of PMT function. So activate FX from here, and the rate is C4. This will consider this interest rate. N per, well, it is the total number of payments for the loan, which is 12. So 12 monthly installments. PV is minus P1. This one, 5 lakhs. We are indicating by minus because we have borrowed the amount, and that's the reason we are indicating by minus. So minus B1. Future value is of course 0. Type 0. Now it can be 1 or it can be 0. So 1 if the payments are done in the beginning of the period, and 0 if the payments are done at the end of the period. So normally in the case of loan, the payments are done at the end of the period and we keep it 0. Click OK. So we want to prepare the loan amortization chart. So specify all the months, 12 months on the basis of this. In the 0th year, the outstanding balance is 5 lakhs. Naturally, we have to pay 5 lakhs to the company. What is my monthly installment? It is this one. And it is going to remain constant over all the 12 months. So let me write down here B5, function F4, enter, done. Double click on it. So this EMI is going to remain constant. What is the interest which I will be paying in the first month? Because these are months. So it will be E9 on the basis of the outstanding amount into the interest C4, and it will remain constant. So function F4, enter. So in the first month, this is the EMI which you have paid, and in this EMI, the amount of interest is this much. So what will be the principal? So it will be the difference of this two. So B10 minus C10, enter. This is the principal paid in the first month. Now what is outstanding? So it will be the difference of E9 minus the principal paid in the first month, that is D10, enter. This is the outstanding of the first month. Now simply just double click here, double click here, double click here, and done. So the principal outstanding at the end of 12 months is 0. Target achieved. So you can see the bifurcations now. In the second month, this is the interest which we are going to pay, and this is the principal which we are going to pay. In the 6th month, this is the interest and this is the principal. So this is how you can create the loan amortization table in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias. Link given in the description box.